Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money using PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer money using PayPal, first, ensure you have a PayPal account. If you do not have an account, visit the PayPal website and sign up for free. Once you log into your PayPal account, locate the Send and Request button at the top of the page. Click on this button to start the money transfer process. You will then see a prompt asking you to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Make sure to enter the correct information for the person you want to send money to. After entering the recipient's details, click on the Next button. Next, you will be prompted to input the amount of money you wish to send. You can also add a note or message if you'd like to explain the reason for the transfer. Once you've entered the amount and any optional message, click Continue. On this page, check the details of your transaction to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, proceed to select a payment method. You can choose to pay using your PayPal balance, linked bank account, or credit card. After selecting your preferred payment method, review any fees that may apply. If you agree with the fees and terms, click on the Send Payment Now button. You will receive a confirmation screen that indicates your payment has been sent. Take note of any transaction ID or confirmation number for your records. You can also check your email for a receipt from PayPal confirming the transaction. If you need to send money frequently, you might consider saving the recipient for easier access in the future. That's it. You've successfully transferred money using PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.